Here I have Motorola Moto G22, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your Motorola by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option recovery mode. After you see this lying down Android robot and no command message under it, just hold down power key and press volume up once. And in the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the third option, enter Fastboot. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. Here in the Fastboot mode, as in the previous mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.